What's that sound? Oh, it's a new toy. Well, let's open this. So it's Primal Pal Blue. It's baby blue. Got the underside. This time you don't have any strings. But you do have something else when you pull off. We don't need instructions. I already know how the story works. So now we just need to twist these. That's how it's here in the box. I know you want to get out. This is a pain in the butt. Dang. Okay, Blue, you got out of the box. Okay, good. You're a good girl. Oh, we got this forest here. Blue love it. So, we'll just look at it. Blue does not have a scan code because, well, it's not really one of those types. Well, baby Blue, you got a chomping feature. You got a cool chomping feature. And also, you have a little shake. So you can shake its little tail. Just showing you the sizes. So yeah, we're going to show you the sizes. Everyone remembers this old 2018 toy, the Indoraptor. 2018 to 2019, I suppose. Indoraptor is smaller. That's what it looks like when it's crouched down compared to Baby Blue. And also we got some more like the Lego Tiny Dilophosaurus. Right here. It's pretty small. You can see. I know, like, a lot of people have this Blue, but I just got a bit late. We got the Lego Baryonyx. So, yeah, it has a Lego logo. Okay, there you go. You can see it now. Got a rubber tail. Oh, crap. There we go. Got some more stuff. How about a Spinosaurus? So this Spinosaurus here is actually a pretty rare toy. It's like over hundreds of dollars. It's really expensive. But, you know, everyone knows that it's the battle damage version and it has a blood moving feature. Pretty cool. I'll just squish that in. Like with the original Spinosaurus. You can also do the chomp. So that's its size. And also, here's a figure. This is just a random figure guy. So I don't know if he can stand. No, he can't stand. But I'll do that for you. Okay, so there we go. Well, Blue has sickle claws and a speaker, and a little tail, and glass eyes. We got this forest scene. So, it's bright outside, so this is where I'm going to do most of my unboxing. Also done the floors. So, on shelves, we have Primal Pal Blue for about $24.99. Making 10 plus sounds. 10 sounds, I suppose. And I found this one at Target. And yeah, it's Target in Greenwood. And it's really cool. Stop biting on my finger. You won't get your treat. You know what your treat's gonna be? Okay, we have a bag with it, okay? Okay, Blue, I got your treats. So, yeah, they're already dead. So, yeah, they used to be alive. Oh my gosh, you... This trash. Because of a couple of dead birds. Yeah, it's dead. Dead. Here you go, Blue. Enjoy your meal, you know. Oh, you want me to put it in your mouth? Okay. Primal Pop away. I'll put this in. Wow, you ate it pretty fast. Wow. You like it? I have some more in here. I have got some extra baby. Yeah, I have some extra birds in there, which are dead. Enjoy, Blue. "12 minutes later." Wow, Blue, you ate it all. Congratulations. You wanna play over there? Oh, you want a toy? Okay, I guess that's a hey yes. Okay, Blue, I got your favorite. You love that ball, don't you? Okay. You're really a good pet. We can train you to a good Velociraptor. This is a how to train a Velociraptor. I'll name you Blue. Well, it's already named Blue. I got you from a box from the pet store. So it's time for you. Have fun. Look, it looks like there's a couple friends to play. Okay, here's your friends. There's your friends. They like to play with you. Well, Primal Pal Blue already had a little snack, but you guys want a snack too? Okay, I guess you all think that's a yes. So, come on, you. It's time for you to get your treat. Yeah, your treat is in here. Your guys' treat. And Primal Pal Blue, you already had a treat, okay? You accept it? Okay. Hold on, we'll just put you right here for now. That's your resting spot for now, okay? Okay. Got a bird. Yeah, this one's dead too. Eat up. Wait a second, you guys need two, because there's so many of you. Oh, there's so much scattered in this. There it is. Super cute, but it's dead. Have a good meal. Okay, Pablo. While they're eating, you can put the ball there. Okay, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And Primal Pal Blue and the other baby dinosaurs will see you too. Isn't that right, being Primal Pal Blue? Isn't that right, you guys? You too, guys? And guys, if you can't afford a dinosaur that's $24.99, which is $25, you can always get one of these, which are only $5. They're $4.99. Sadly, well, I saw the Lego, not the Lego, but the Lobster Snap Squad and the Baryonyx Snap Squad, but we didn't get those. I also got Mosasaur, pretty cool. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.